Hello friends, my name is Mohan Dige. Today date is 12th September 2022. Today video topic is polymorphism in Java. The polymorphism in Java in a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words. Uh, First one is poly and morphous. The word poly means many and morphs mean forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can perform polymorphism in Java by method overloading and method overloading. If you overload a static method in Java, it is an example of compile and polymorphism. Here will focus a runtime polymorphism in Java. Runtime polymorphism in Java or dynamic method dispatch is a process in which a call to overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than compile time. In this process, as overridden method, it is called to reference variable of a superclass. The determination of the method to call is based on the object being referred by reference variable. Second one, upcasting. If the reference variable of parent class reference to the object of class child class, it is known as uppercasting. The example of the Java runtime. The example of consider a scenario where bank is a class that provides a method to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest may according to second example is a shape and third one is a animal and with Java runtime polymorphism with Java data member, a method is overridden, not the data members. So runtime polymorphism cannot be achieved by the data members. It is all about it.